everybody, today I'm with Chelsea. I will speak a little Italian and some English. Che cosa è successo, Chelsea?
Allora, io ho un po' male alla spalla perché giocavo a tennis, quindi ovviamente allenando la spalla ogni volta ho un po' male qua.
She's a tennis player and she has some issue on the right shoulder, ma proprio diciamo se senti questa parte qua, però è bloccata la spalla. Ok, sì, c'è un bel, we have a stuck shoulder, so almost a frozen shoulder, perché c'è proprio un bel problemino. E lo senti, diciamo, sia muovendo la spalla, ma anche sulla parte del collo?
Sì.
Ok, so it's all the side between the head and the shoulder, including obviously all the trapezium and the cervical spine. Okay, let's start from the cervical spine. If you have any questions, you can ask in Italian, in English, up to you. We mix everything. Possiamo mischiare proprio italiano e inglese, quindi domande le faremo in tutte le lingue qui. Va bene, vediamo. L'importante è capirci. Allora, andiamo un attimo qui, rilassata, brava, perfetto. Benissimo. Tutto bene?
Sì.
Pain? No.
No.
It's not painful. Other side, just to balance the cervical. Good. Benissimo. Hai visto? Facile, no?
Yes.
Eri spaventata? You were scared, no?
No.
Ok. Allora, rilassatissima. Brava. Lasciati cadere, drop your body. Good. Eccolo qui, importante. Tutto bene?
Sì.
Questo era un pochino forte, eh? This is a powerful approach on the shoulder. My favorite technique on the shoulder. Ok, facciamo another technique here. Relax. Perfect. Other side, relax. Good. Ci siamo?
Sì.
Facile, no?
Yes.
Benissimo. Sì. Turn on this side, please. Mettiamoci da questo lato e da questo lato. Bravissimo. Yes, by this side. Yes. Be comfortable. Let's start from here. Drop your body. Good. Perfect. Lasciati cadere. Abbandonatissima. Brava. Pancia in su. Perfect. Let's show we are right here. This side. Relax. Good. And now face up. Different approach. Throw the pelvis. Relax. Ok, drop your legs. Lascia cadere fuori proprio. Brava. Abbandonata. Good. Face up. Ci siamo? Good. Other ankle. Ok, good. It's okay. A little technique on the knee, relax. Good. Please hold on tight to the edge right here, and then yes, I need to look back. I need to work on the right hip because she feels pain here, but because we have a really stuck hip, so I will apply an important pull, relax. I need again. She put some hydration cream, so I need
lotion.
yes, this time it will be hard to unlock the hip. Relax, yes, hold on. Yes. Piccola differenza, little difference comparing with the first technique. Absolutely good now. Yes, perfect. Let's check the foot here. Relax. It's enough. Okay. Okay, put down your arms, turn your head on the side, and relax. Just finish the dorsal approach. Okay, good. Turn the other side, please. Thank you. Yes, release your shoulder. Ah, fair enough. Let's try to stay on your elbows right now. Yes, like this. And we will do the Sphinx technique. This is my personal technique. Drop your head. Brava, rimani con le spalle su. Yes, keep up your shoulders, but drop your head. Yes, perfect. Just a moment. Good. Other side. Brava. Ci siamo. Best hair of the day, eh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Relax. Okay. Relax, relax, relax. Hold your shoulder and but drop your head. Okay, good. Oh, perfect. A new approach on the shoulder. Once again. Yes, much better, but we still need to do something. So hold your neck. Now relax. Relax, relax. Yes. Yes, perfect. Ci siamo? Lascia morbido. Okay, good. One more. Yes. Okay, good. Now release your body. Yes, you can drop your body. I'm like a chair for you, so relax. Yes. Let's check the rest. Okay. Drop your head, drop your body. Lasciati proprio cadere, appoggiati proprio a me. Brava. Be comfortable, now relax. Yes! Fai tutte le prove che vuoi. Vieni, fatti vedere qua così le vediamo insieme. Vai, proviamo. Che sensazioni hai?
Sto bene. Cioè, non, prima mi dava fastidio quando mi alzavo così.
Libera?
Invece adesso è libera.
Okay, we can. So she feels more free with the shoulder joint. I will give you any suggestions about some stretching you can do, for example, before your tennis trains or match. And la senti libera, insomma, tutto bene.
Sì, sì.
Ok.
Tutto bene.
Let's say goodbye to our friends.
Ok.
3, 2, 1. Ciao a
Bye.
tutti.